All right, 2024 F-150 XLT, 15,000 miles with a 6-inch lift kit. Folks, wait till I just give you a shot of the interior of this vehicle. That's why I'm doing a video. This is absolutely an amazing opportunity for somebody out there. Once again, 2024 four-wheel drive, 15,000 miles, 6-inch lift kit, aftermarket wheels and tires, brand spanking new, bed liner, drop hitch, four-wheel drive, F-150 XLT, 6-inch lift, after wheels and tires, market wheels and tires. But wait till I show you the interior. Absolutely an amazing vehicle. 4x4, right here at One Stop Auto Sales. An amazing opportunity for someone out there to purchase a once in a lifetime type truck right here. You've got your huge screen for all of your displays, connectivity, phone, everything, folks. Here you got you already set up with your trailer braking. A lot of truck for the money. A lot of truck for the money. Let me give you a quick shot of what the technology looks like on this truck too. We'll cut it off. Let's cut it back on. Folks, there is technology galore on this vehicle. You've got a front camera as well as a backup camera. 2014 XLT four-wheel drive, 15,000 miles right here at One Stop Auto Sales. Incredible sound system, absolutely lacking nothing on this truck. Give us a call, 478-741-8009, or visit us in person at 2838 Gray Highway in Macon, Georgia. Minutes from everywhere in Middle Georgia, folks.